In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your current notifications. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your Notifications Enterprise or Location selected, then choose Collaboration. You will arrive at your Collaboration overview. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a quick view of the notifications you have set up for your global notifications and specific locations. Right now I can see that I have global notifications set up daily for schedule, swap availability, swapping out, and leave. I also have a daily notification set up for after hours and dining services. If I want to see the details of those notifications, I could click on one of those notifications or go to my new top menu bar and click Notifications. You will arrive at a list of your current notifications. To see the details for one of those, click on that notification category. By clicking on Global, I can see how frequently I'm getting global notifications and what is in those notifications. Right now, I can see that I am getting reports. I get a daily report on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and what's in that report is the schedule and swap board, and it shows the next 7 days. If I scroll down, I will receive instant global alerts when my schedule in the next 7-day changes, when posted shifts are claimed or removed by a manager, when shifts become available, and when leave requests change status. If I scroll back up, I could see the same information by clicking on one of these locations. If I choose After Hours, I can see what's in that daily report. In this one, I'm only getting a Friday calendar. I'm not getting any of those instant alerts. That's how you can view your current notifications, so you know why you're getting the notifications you are. To learn how to add a new notification, check out the next video.